So, hello again. My name is Dr. Jawad Alzeer. I will continue describing the concept of entropy till everybody understands this concept correctly. Today, I will make a nice surprise. So, I want to tell you the secret how we really can understand entropy much better, or we can remove this misconception, or we can have better vision about entropy. Indeed, to understand the concept of entropy, we must include another factor, and this factor or force or element which can counteract entropy and promote order. Now, this factor can act as anti-entropy, and and for me, I really thought about it. What could really act as an anti-entropy, and I came to conclusion that potential energy can really work as an anti-entropy. Why? Because potential energy can be used to quantify the order and the disorder in the system. And changes in potential energy is strongly linked to changes in entropy. Therefore, to understand this link between potential energy and entropy, what is needed is to redefine the concept of entropy, the concept of potential energy, because in general, potential energy is just simply defined as it is stored or position energy, but this is like general. But to understand it more effective, utilize it correctly, we need to have a precise definition. And my precise definition to potential energy is the energy which is stored in the constitution, configuration, conformation of anything. It could be an atoms, it could be a particles, and it could be a molecule. Now, talking about molecule, when we talk about the constitution, it means we talk about the number of atoms and the type of atoms which involve in building the skeleton of the molecule. Now, when we talk about the configuration, we talk about the spatial arrangement of atoms within the molecular frame. And when we talk about the conformation, we talk about the detailed three-dimensional shape of atoms in space, which include, of course, bond angles, rotations, and vibrations. So now, what we need is really to understand exactly what do I mean by the concept of constitution, configuration, conformation. In more detail, I will describe this in the coming video. But once having this image in our brain, then we know exactly what does it mean potential energy. We know what kills our potential also, and we know ultimately what increase our entropy. Thank you.